Alright, time for the next one. This is a Highlander. It got hit in the back and it actually buckled both of these frame rails. Right here and right here. So there's a sectioning procedure. I'm going to put the back half of those frame rails in this, and it gets a new gate and a new rear body panel. Now let's check the other side. Well, I got that one pulled out about as far as I can. Should be fine though. It's getting sectioned up here, so I'm making another pull off the tow hook. It's connected straight to the frame rail, and you can see it's tearing right there where the rail is folded up. Alright, I got this thing pulled as far as I can. Both of the frame rails are wanting to rip where they were collapsed at, so I can't really pull those much more. I'll tweak it around some more once I cut them off, but it's pretty close. There it is. So I got this new part of the rail fit up. I overlapped it and I left it forward or backward 1 extra millimeter to account for the width of the cut. And then I'll cut through both layers and put it back up, and it should fit perfectly. Procedure shows to cut it 95 millimeters back from this hole right here. It should be right about here. Alright, I got this one all fit up. Now I gotta cut this one, make my rough cut, and start fitting it up. All right, time to fit this rear body panel up and fit the gate, tail lights, start getting this one together. All right, I got this roughly fit up and I'm putting the measurement on it, and it looks like I need to pull this part out a little bit on both sides. So I'm going to lift this back off and I'm going to tweak both of these taillight pockets out a little bit. Now if I was pulling this harder, I would pull this taillight out because the flexion of it can end up causing me to break the taillight. But being that I'm just tweaking it a little bit, I'm okay with it. But normally I would take the taillight out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and weld these frame rail sections in. I have my holes across the top here for the plug welds, and then I have to weld the seams on the bottom side. Then I will put the rear body on weld the rear body after that. Well, this one is all welded together. All I have to do is seam seal it and send it over to paint. Alright, I got this one all seam sealed. I'm going to hose rust proofing inside of these frame rails, and it's off to paint.
Stay putting in that